All right, today we are going to be reviewing division of fractions, specifically when you cannot create an equivalent fraction that is easily converted into a decimal. So a fraction that is out of 10 or 100 or 1,000. The example that we're going to be using today is 3/8 or 3 divided by 8, where we know 3 is my dividend and 8 is my divisor. So when you are setting up for long division, you want your dividend to be beneath your little long division house, and your divisor, in this case 8, is placed outside of it. And the very first step is to ask yourself, how many times can 8 go into 3? Well, because it cannot go into 3, we are actually going to put a 0 right here. We're going to bring up our decimal. And now see how many times 8 can go into 30. So 8 can go into 30 3 different times. I'm now going to multiply 8 by 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. And then I subtract. So 30 minus 24 is 6. 30 minus 24 is 6. Then I'm going to ask myself, can 8 go into 6? It cannot. So I'm going to add another 0. Bring this down, becomes 60. Then I'm going to ask myself, how many times does 8 go into 60? Well, 8 can go into 60 7 different times. And then I do 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56. I can then subtract. 60 minus 56 is 4. I know 8 cannot go into 4. I'm going to bring down this 0. I then ask myself how many times 8 go into 40. That is 5 different times. And then 5 times 8 is 40. And I have nothing remaining. This means that 3/8 in a decimal is 0.375, or 3 divided by 8 on a calculator would also give you 0.375. Again, long division is only necessary if you cannot make an equivalent fraction out of 10 or out of 100 or out of 1,000. So if I wanted to create an equivalent fraction, let's say out of 10, that would be really difficult considering that 8 doesn't go into 10 nicely. So long division is useful only in this scenario.